Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Charlotte, if you didn't know. Today I am going to be doing a cleaning project in our master bedroom before Asher gets here. I'm due March 17th and it is already February 20th, 21st, something like that. So I really need to get this done. I need to clean the floors hardcore and the windows and our dusting. Like, I just need to dust terribly. I'm thinking about going through my closet a little bit too, just to get rid of some things that I just haven't worn even before getting pregnant and everything. So I just got to get things done before he gets here to make sure I am not doing those things when he does get here. So here we go. So as you can see, I've got dust bunnies all over. I need to Swiffer these floors as well. I'll probably throw this rug in the washer at some point. I cannot move the furniture just because I'm pregnant and I know that there's dirt under there, like dust bunnies and stuff, but that'll just have to wait for when John can help me with that, my husband. Got more over here. And my husband did just clean these fans. They were terribly, my daughter's and ours were terribly dusty and disgusting, but he did that this weekend, so I don't have to worry about that. In here is our closet. I just got some things stuffed away in there. That's our beach bag. That's pretty much not needing anything done to it. But I've noticed that some of my shoes are just really old and I don't wear them and are actually rusting a little bit because we do live on a tropical island and things deteriorate quicker and faster if you're not storing them properly, I guess. But yeah, I need to go through those shoes and the clothing as well. Up there is just disorganized. I should probably do something up there as well. But if I get to that, I will do that. I've got a lot of dusting to do. It's really gross. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see me. But, yep. So, it's lovely. It's really dirty. And our windows here. Don't mind the mess outside. John's been doing his little thing out there. But we've got mold on our windows. I don't know if you can see that, but that is mold and I've got to get that cleaned up. Really dusty up here too. We just don't clean in here, I guess. It looks nice when the bed's made and nothing's on the floor, but looks are deceiving sometimes. So I'm gonna get to everything here. So I'm going to use a, this is a dollar store duster. It just goes over your hand and it has two sides, microfiber on this side and then just fluffy on this side. And then I've got two microfiber cloths and then I've got the Method glass cleaner inside of this bottle. just needed to show you guys how disgusting this is. So I'm gonna clean this up real quick and place it back on the wall and move on to the next drawer. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am exhausted. I'm not going to get to my closet today just because I need to relax. So I might make another video for that one. Let me know down in the comments if you're interested in that kind of thing. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!